Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Console MFA for daily work. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Console MFA for daily work, first, ensure you have your MFA device ready. Log into your AWS Management Console using your username and password. Locate the MFA prompt on the login screen. If it's your first time using MFA, you may need to set it up. Go to the IAM service in the AWS Management Console. Select Users from the left sidebar. Choose your username from the list of users. In the Security Credentials tab, find the Assign MFA Device section. Click on Manage to start the MFA configuration. Select the type of MFA device you are using, either virtual MFA or a hardware MFA device. For a virtual MFA, open your MFA application on your smartphone. Choose the option to add a new account in your MFA app. Scan the QR code displayed on your AWS console screen. Once the QR code is scanned, your app will generate a time-based one-time password. Enter the first password from your MFA app into the AWS console. Wait for a few seconds until the MFA app generates the next password. Enter the second password as well. Click on Assign MFA to finalize the setup. After MFA is set up, go back to the AWS login page. Enter your username and password as usual. When prompted for MFA, open your MFA app again. Input the time-based one-time password displayed in your app. Click Sign In to access the AWS console. With those steps, you've successfully authenticated using MFA for your daily work in AWS. This ensures added security for your AWS resources. Make sure your MFA device is charged and accessible for future logins. This process may take a bit longer initially, but enhances the security of your account. Remember to follow your organization's security policies regarding MFA usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.